Hello everyone. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has published two new updates on 17th November 2021 about Class 6 JNVST 2022. Let us see these, but just before that, I will let you know how you can reach admission notifications tab on the official website of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Search for NVS in Google. You will find Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti's official website, navodaya.gov.in. Just click on the link. This is the official website of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Here, click on the menu and move to the admissions tab. Just below that, you will find admission notifications. Click on this. Here you will find two new updates published on 17th November 2021. First of which is notification for Class 6 JNVST 2022, the PDF format of which can be downloaded by clicking on this PDF icon in the last column. And the second is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Selection Test 2022 Certificate Revised. Let us download these PDF files and know what updates NVS has given. Click on this to download. Click on Save button. Let us download the second PDF file also. I'll click on Show in Folder. So this is the notification given by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, which reads: the online application portal for Class 6 Selection Test 2022 for admission to Class 6 in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas for the session 2022-23 is open now. All the desired and eligible candidates may apply through the portal. Due to administrative reasons, it is decided to get the certificate verified by the headmaster concerned. All the candidates are requested to fill their particulars in the revised format and get the same verified by the headmaster concerned. Candidates are requested to upload the verified certificate only. If the candidates have already submitted their applications, the certificate uploaded may be verified by the headmaster concerned and the same is to be submitted to the principal of JNV in the district concerned. For revised format, please visit the website www.navodaya.gov.in issued by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. So as per this new notification, the certificate which is to be uploaded during online application has been revised, in which we should get verified the certificate by the headmaster concerned. Now let us see the revised certificate. So this is the revised certificate. The particulars have to be filled by the candidate, which will be same as given earlier. Only change here is these details are to be verified by the headmaster of the school concerned. The candidates who have not yet applied online can download this revised certificate, fill all the particulars, and then the signature of the candidate, signature of parent, and signature of headmaster and with seal should be completed on this certificate. The same has to be scanned and uploaded while applying online. Now, what about the candidates who have already submitted the applications online? As it is mentioned in the notification, if the candidates have already submitted their applications, the certificate uploaded may be verified by the headmaster concerned and the same is to be submitted to the principal of JNV in the district concerned. That means no need to get the certificate downloaded and filled again. The old certificate which is filled, which was only signed by candidate and the parent, is to be verified by the headmaster of the school concerned and the same should be submitted to the principal of JNV in which the candidate is going to admitted. So this is about the new updates about JNVST 2022 issued by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti.